In our vast universe, amidst the myriad stars and galaxies, there's a unique kind of magnetism that goes beyond the superficial allure of the world. This profound magnetism is deeply rooted in the divine essence of our being, resonating with a frequency that has the power to draw others towards us in a genuine, transformative manner. Firstly, let's immerse ourselves in the profound magic of unconditional love. This is a love that knows no boundaries, no conditions. It's a love that remains steadfast, even when faced with the harshest of storms, the gravest of mistakes, and the most glaring imperfections. Such love doesn't merely bind hearts. It transcends all conceivable barriers, weaving a tapestry of trust, acceptance, and deep connection. When we love unconditionally, we create an environment where souls feel seen, valued, and cherished. It's a space where judgments fade, and pure, authentic connections flourish. Venturing further, we encounter the unparalleled beauty of selfless service. To give without a hint of expectation, to serve without an ounce of recognition, epitomizes the essence of true generosity. This form of selflessness radiates a kindness that touches the very core of souls, setting off ripples of goodwill, empathy, and boundless compassion. Through selfless service, we not only uplift the spirits of others, but also discover a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment, enriching our own lives in ways previously unimagined. Our journey then leads us to the realm of embracing one's true self. In a world that often hides behind facades and societal expectations, standing unwaveringly true to oneself is nothing short of revolutionary. Authenticity isn't just about being genuine. It's about shining with an unparalleled light, illuminating paths for others, and inspiring them to embrace their truths. Authentic souls not only attract genuine connections, but also cultivate an intrinsic sense of self-worth, confidence, and inner harmony. Delving deeper within, we seek the sanctuary of inner peace. This isn't a peace dictated by external circumstances, but a tranquility birthed from the very depths of our souls. It's about discerning what's within our realm of control, releasing the uncontrollable, and finding serenity amidst life's inevitable chaos. With inner peace, we become pillars of calm and stability, drawing others towards us, inspiring them to embark on their own quests for inner harmony. Lastly, we explore the vast expanse of boundless compassion. A compassion that recognizes no boundaries, that perceives the divine spark in every soul, and that ardently seeks to alleviate suffering in all its forms. Embodying this boundless compassion, we not only magnetize others towards us, but also elevate our spirit, aligning harmoniously with the universe's divine essence. Such compassion radiates warmth, comfort, and healing, transforming not just individual lives, but the very fabric of our collective existence. In concluding this enlightening journey, let's remember that the essence of magnetism transcends mere attraction. It's about resonating with a frequency that not only draws souls together, but uplifts, inspires, and catalyzes profound transformations. By embracing these divine habits, we not only enrich our lives but also become luminous beacons, guiding and inspiring countless others on their journeys.